In the heart of New York City, 1960s, a spark ignited in the minds of two visionaries, Sutherland and Myron Krueger. They envisioned a world where art transcended physical boundaries, where creations could exist beyond the confines of canvas and paint. This was the dawn of digital art media. Sutherland, an American computer scientist, conceived Sketchpad, a program that allowed users to draw geometric shapes on a computer screen using a light pen. This revolutionary tool marked the beginning of a new era in art, blurring the lines between technology and creativity. Meanwhile, Krueger, a pioneer in computer graphics, developed a system called Videoplace. It allowed users to interact with digital art in a three-dimensional space, creating an immersive, interactive art experience. This was a significant leap from the static, two-dimensional art of the past. As the 1970s rolled in, artists began to take notice. Artists like John Whitney Sr., a pioneer in computer animation, and Lillian Schwartz, who used computers to create intricate and beautiful digital art, embraced this new medium. They saw in it a potential to express their creativity in ways never before possible. However, the art world was skeptical. Traditionalists scoffed at the idea of art without a tangible, physical presence. They questioned the validity of digital art, arguing that it lacked the emotional depth and authenticity of traditional art. Undeterred, the pioneers of digital art persevered. They argued that digital art was not meant to replicate traditional art, but to offer a new platform for expression. They believed that the digital medium allowed for a level of precision, experimentation, and collaboration that was impossible in traditional art. In the decades that followed, digital art media continued to evolve. From the simple geometric shapes of Sutherland's Sketchpad to the complex, immersive 3D environments of today, digital art has come a long way. It has found a place in galleries, museums, and even in our homes, proving that it is a valid and powerful medium for artistic expression. Today, digital art is celebrated for its ability to push boundaries, to challenge perceptions, and to inspire innovation. It is a testament to the power of human creativity and the endless possibilities that technology offers. As we continue to explore the digital realm, who knows what new forms of art will emerge? One thing is certain, the digital art revolution is far from over.